What's up, everyone? Welcome back to What to Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker. In this Weiss Schwarz of the Day video, we are opening Miss Hatsune Miku, Project Diva F. Reach a new level of cool with Miku. Alright. Yes, brought to you by Bushy Road, Weiss Schwarz. Alright, what we could potentially find in here. Let's see. Yoink. We got 4 types of extra rare, 16 types of triple rare, 24 special rare, 8 double rare, 20 rare, 28 uncommon, 28 common, 16 climax cards. Alrighty, so in these 2 packs of this video, let's see what we can get. Can we get something awesome, amazing? Every pack is a good pack. Some are just better than others. Alright. Oh snap, look at that. That is some interesting graphics for the face. Unfortunately, it was a safe. Oh my goodness. Interesting graphics, I tell you that much. Look at that. We got Miku Water Polo. And I got Full Power Miku Hatsune Miku. Alright, and then we got Hatsune Miku Lab Girl. Then we have Hatsune Miku Faux New World. One Whirl Style? I'm sorry, I cannot understand what that is. Phone whirl or oh man, that one actually has me confused. It looks cool though. The purple and the turquoise and all the colors. It looks really cool. Just not sure what it says. Alright. Kagamine Rin Transmitter. Okay, I got Together with You, Hatsune Miku. That's the rare? I guess. Oh my. It's not a holo, but it is really nice. I like this. It's almost like it's like a stain art. That is really pretty. That is pretty art. Yes. And then our climax, which has a Senbon Sakura. Yeah, it's a climax rare. Sweet, we got a climax rare. That's cool. Alrighty, on to the next pack. Pack number 2, last pack of this video, but stay tuned for more. We will have more Weiss Schwarz. We'll try to get more Hatsune Miku. Yes, we will try to get lots of stuff. Hatsune Miku Dark Angel. That is the game plan, is get packs of cards to open for all you guys. Because I appreciate you, weekend girl. Yeah, appreciate you guys being here. I thank you so much. Kagamine Len Crane. Got Hatsune Miku Solitude. Got Kagamine Len Nino Sakura Fan Dance. Alright. Kasane Teto Original. I got Hatsune Miku Ichi no Sakura Blossom. Hey, that's a rare. That's our rare card. Just still no foil in this set, I guess. That's okay. Yep. So that's our rare for this card, and then our climax. We get another climax rare. Look at that. Got 2 climax rares and 2 rares. Very cool. Tengaku. Alrighty, guys. Well, appreciate you stopping by. As always, I cannot thank you enough, but I try to because I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time a new video comes on. Help answer this awesome question, what to open next. Stay hydrated and stay tuned for more. Alrighty guys, have yourselves a great day. See you later.